Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change lock screen method on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can change the method. Now, what do I mean by methods? Well, currently I have something called alphanumeric password. This means that I can enter basically anything I want, including special characters, numbers and letters. Even though my password really is just 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually there's no need for me to have access to all of different letters and numbers and checkers and all of that. Unless you want to bait someone into thinking you have more complicated passwords. But generally speaking, the simpler the better. So let's change the method from the alphanumeric to PIN. We can do that by heading into the settings. Then we can scroll down a little and you should see security. Then you want to go into device security and enter screen lock. We first must enter our current password in order to even go into the settings themselves. So I'm going to input my PIN here. And as you can see, we have this alphanumeric password, we have PIN, we have pattern, and we have none and swipe, but these options aren't literally like patterns or like passwords at all, because there's literally no password. You can just swipe or do nothing in order to gain access to your device. So let's simply click PIN. And now we must enter 4 digits, but of course we can also do a 6-digit PIN and even bigger if you want to, but I'm going to stay with my very simple 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go once again with 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously you probably want to go into something more specific and not as simple and not as easy to guess for improved security. And as you can see now, we have the different screen lock. We can always go into the cogwheel, but you will notice that we actually do not really have much here. We could, for example, like disable or enable the enhanced PIN privacy, but these settings are usually very specific to the type of the method we have on our screen lock. And you will notice that if we lock the screen, we no longer have the alphanumeric password or like keyboard, but instead we have this very simple dial pad and we can freely input anything we want. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.